Yes, I'm a mom who still cooks for her grown kids, and this is what my daughter requested.
So make Marry Me chicken with me.
So to start, you wash your chicken how you see fit, but I always wash my chicken with lime and vinegar before I even start to cook it. Anyway, it's clean chicken, and I season it like I season spaghetti. So I put this basil pesto seasoning on it with some Cajun seasoning as well as my favorite Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and I put garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and a little salt, not a ton, and that's really it. Oh, and an Italian seasoning. Don't let me forget that. Remember, you're going to do things how you do things, but I add a little cornstarch to it because when I fry it, I want it to have a little coating, but not a lot. And you'll see why. And so I just sprinkle it a little bit with cornstarch. And then I'm going to marry that together because we're making Marry Me chicken. So I love being a mother of older kids, and my kids challenged me to create. And my daughter wanted to marry me chicken, but my son took out chicken wings. So what happens? They're eating, not we're, I don't even eat, but they're eating marry me chicken wings. So we got creative. Did I think I hit record when I was browning my red pepper flakes as well as my shallots and the dried herb seasoning? No, but here it is midway through when I realized it. Anyway, I add in a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder to that, and then you add in vegetable stock and your garlic. I like to add my garlic at this point because garlic cooks quickly, and so I don't like that. I want the flavor, but I don't want it to burn. And then I pour in my heavy cream and I incorporate and mix that all together. And I forgot to say that I did put thyme when I was kind of toasting my seasonings. Thyme was in there as well because you can see it pop to the top here. And did I forget to mention sun-dried tomatoes? Hello. Yes, you cannot forget the freaking piece de resistance. The way that I feel about sun-dried tomatoes is like that song, I got a thing for you, baby, you know. Don't even know if I got the words right. Anyway, you're going to add in freaking Parmesan cheese. And if you are buying pre-shredded Parmesan cheese, you are doing yourself a disservice. We're going to always keep it old school the way my mama taught me, and we're going to shred our cheese even for mac and cheese. Frying my chicken in my mom's cast iron after she's been gone for 4 years will never get old for me. Please make sure your oil's hot before frying it. That is like the most vital and essential part of frying chicken. Hot oil. Everyone learned how to cook differently. My mom always told me, leave it until you see blood. And that is what I do. I listen to what my mother, who is now one of my ancestors, told me. So you do what your mama taught you. And if your mama didn't teach you how to fry chicken, then adapt and learn and try. And I leave my chicken to cook until it's golden brown, as you can see. And all you're going to do is top your Marry Me fried chicken with the Marry Me sauce and make mashed potatoes however you like. Top it with the Marry Me sauce and enjoy.
So I don't eat chicken, but I cook it. So you guys see the aesthetic, but I just eat the Marry Me sauce with my homemade mashed potatoes, and you can make your mashed potatoes however you want. But y'all, I just really know how to cook. So what I did for my beverage tonight is my coworker has a lemon tree with tiny lemons. I made homemade lemonade to go with me. So let's pour it up. That's my son back there. Whoa. This tastes like, what is that place? This tastes like hot dog on a stick. Hot dog on a stick lemonade. Insane.